कम पड़ रहा है तो रिफ्लेक्टर ले लो तुम लोग, ठीक है? ये सिल्वर वाला है। देखो अभी कोई कंप्लेन नहीं कर सकता, एक्टर लोग टाइम से नहीं आते। मैं सबसे पहले आके बैठा हूँ। मेरा गलती नहीं होगी। अभी तो रुक, अगली बार तेरे को याद रखता हूँ तेरी शक्ल। आना बाइट लेने को अगली बार। अभी वेटिंग फॉर ऑल द अदर, बट दे आर कमिंग डाउन. I can finish mine and leave if you want. फोटो अभी हो गया पर आपके डिजाइनर्स का लेडीज फर्स्ट, फिर तुम उसके बाद जो सवाल पूछोगे.
Welcome to the Grazia Young Fashion Award Winners Social Conference. We are missing a few designers, but we'll talk with all the ones who are here. Congratulations to all of you. We have Shikha and Vinita who are not with us right now. We have Suhani Parak. We have Shivangi Sahani, Neha and Pranav, Sahil Aneja with Arjun Kapoor, Gurzi and Amrita. Gurzi is missing. Sohaya Mishra and Kritikola. Would love to hear a few words from all of you designers and tell us what experience you have.
Hi, my name is Kriti. I run a brand called Doodlage. It was a great experience to be a part of Grazia Young Fashion Awards. They have been pushing us for the last 6 months to do award functions and now this show. It's a great platform for young designers like Doodlage, where we're trying to make a difference with sustainability and rediscovering fashion through sustainable techniques. Thanks. Hi, I'm Neha. Me and Pranav are partners here, and we own this brand called Cord. We make bags, and we won the category for bags, the Grazia Young Fashion Award. So you could see that we also had our clothing, and we're coming up with clothing. So these guys were kind enough to let us do clothing as well as bags. So it was great. It was a great experience. Really thankful to Grazia for all the exposure and all the encouragement. And it was great. It was a great experience. It was our first fashion show. We just 1.5 years old. So it's a great platform for us to great platform for us to showcase our bags and clothes at Lakme. So it was great. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sahil, and I would like to thank Grazia and Lakme for the opportunity I've got today. And a big thanks to Arjun here, who agreed to work for us, and he did a fantastic job. I just want to extend my courtesy again to everyone here and all the fellow designers. The show was great, the energy was great, and I would love to be part of anything like this again with Grazia or Lakme. And that's it. I mean, and I think for menswear, there are very few platforms who are really out there right now. And me being the winner of the menswear category, it just shows that menswear is really evolving in India. And people like Arjun are doing great justice to what we are making. Thank you.
Arjun, would you like to say a few words?
I'm not one of the designers.
I know, but would you like to talk
I would
about
like to state I'm not one of the designers. But no, congratulations to all of you. You don't look 1.5 years old. I have been in this situation, not exactly being a designer, but I've been a newcomer. I've been somebody, I can feel all the butterflies in all your stomachs right now. That's the nicest feeling that you can have. So I hope you guys continue enjoying the nervousness and creating magic. All the best to all of you. And may the magic continue.
Hi everyone, I'm Suhani and my brand's called Misha. So we do extremely experimental, conceptual, almost architectural jewelry, as you can see on the lovely ladies behind. And this was our first time on the runway, and it's a really young brand as well, so it was there was a lot of emotions, but I have to say a big thanks to Grazia for this opportunity, and it's been fantastic. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Shivangi. My brand name is Shivangi Sani. And of course, I'd like to start by saying, just thanking Grazia for this amazing opportunity. And my collection for Grazia was basically a juxtaposition of indie chic and Middle Eastern opulence. And it had a boho chic vibe, and I'm really happy with the way everything turned out.
फोन देखेगा सवाल का जवाब नहीं दूंगा अभी
Hi, I'm Sahaya and my brand is called Chola. This particular collection was called The Wanderers and it's basically about being free and wild and comfortable in your own skin and having fun.
Hi, I'm Pranav. As my partner said, we partners together for God. So what we really try to bring out through this collection is minimalism and geometricity and very clean lines. So what you must have seen is monochromes and just structured shapes of bags and accessories. And yeah, so that's about it. Like really thankful to Grazia for giving us this platform to be here, to be exposed out of you guys, and and we really hope that we'll make bigger. That's it. Thanks.
Thank you. We'll have a Janta bite. Anyone? Any questions? We're not going to do one-on-ones with others. So anyone has Janta bites can ask right now.
अर्जुन, आपने कहा आप मांगे हुए कपड़ों में काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. पर्सनल स्टाइल आपका क्या है? जब बिना मांगे आप कपड़े पहनते हैं तो क्या पसंद करते हैं?
नहीं मांगे हुए नहीं, मैं कह रहा था मैं यार इतनी ऊंची तो आवाज है. अच्छा आप लोग डिसाइड कर लो, मैं वापस आता हूँ. हाँ, दिस इज बेटर. मैंने कहा था भाड़े के कपड़े में, वो मजाक कर रहा था, पर थैंक यू फॉर दैट कि आपने याद रखा. मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल, ये जब ऊपर आए थे, he came to meet me for the fittings just now when I came in, so he was asking what do you feel comfortable with. So I said I would love to go in track pants, chappals and t-shirts, but that would just violate the sanctity of Lakme Fashion Week completely. मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल बहुत रिलैक्स, बहुत कैजुअल है. अगर आप कभी मुझे बियॉन्ड काम मिलो तो यू नोटिस कि आई एम वेरी for me, comfort is more important. For me, if you're not comfortable, you can't be stylish. That's the only one thing that I understand. And I think I've just enjoyed being myself through these 4 years. And whatever little evolution has happened, that's thanks to obviously being part of shows, working on with different designers, doing movies. तो धीरे धीरे करके हमें भी थोड़ी समझ आने लगती है हम पे क्या अच्छा लगता है, because we get to see pictures, we see the films that we do. So I've learned and I've gotten better. I hope. Touch wood, the one thing I can say is I've not made too many fashion faux pas, and that's a pretty decent achievement. ज़्यादा गलतियाँ नहीं की अभी तक, तो सोनम से डांट नहीं पड़ती. But yeah, I'm still learning and evolving. I think we all do. अपना खुद का स्टाइल चेंज होते रहता है depending on the person that you are at that frame of time, that point of time in your life. Yeah.
आज के शो में से आपने कुछ स्टाइल पिक किया जो आप अपने पर्सनल स्टाइल के?
नहीं, मैंने कपड़े पिक कर लिए, मैं ये लेके जा रहा हूँ. स्टाइल से ज़्यादा I love leather jackets. So when he told me his theme has leather, I said please do a leather jacket because I'm obsessed with leather jackets. I've always been, and I believe, ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ without sounding pompous, that I carry leather jackets off fairly well. So I was very excited about this jacket. Actually, he sent me the picture and I loved it the moment he sent it. So मैंने कुछ भी करवा के यही jacket पहना eventually. So yeah.
Should we do a photo of them? Yeah. We'll do one of the designers after. We can let Arjun then.
अच्छा मैं घर जा सकता हूँ? तो मैं जाऊँ? चलिए.
Do a photo of one.
Where?
Yeah, I'll just push the. Can someone help me?
प्लीज आइए मैम.
Like this, Baba, like this, I can't give up. To the other room, no?
Yeah.
To where about?
अर्जुन अपने अर्जुन फोटो दे रहा है और